In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pst file in Outlook, how to remove Pst file in Outlook. A Pst file is a personal data file that stores your emails, contacts, and calendar items on your computer. I'll guide you through classic Outlook first, then show you how to do the same in the new Outlook interface. Follow along and you'll be able to connect or disconnect a Pst without risking your data. In classic Outlook, start by opening Outlook and heading to the File tab. Choose Account Settings, then click Account Settings again to open the full dialog. Switch to the Data Files tab. Here, click Add, browse to the .pst file you want to attach, select it, and click OK. You'll have the option to give it a unique display name, which is helpful if you manage multiple archives. Click OK to confirm, then close the Account Settings window. You'll see the newly added Pst appear as a top-level folder on the left. Depending on its size, Outlook may take a moment to load and index the contents. That's normal. To remove a Pst in classic Outlook, go back to the File tab and open Account Settings, then Account Settings once more. On the Data Files tab, select the Pst you want to disconnect and click Remove. Confirm by clicking Yes in the pop-up. This action only detaches the Pst from Outlook, it does not delete the actual file from your computer. If you plan to archive or move it, you can do that later in File Explorer. If the Remove button is grayed out, make sure you didn't select the default data file that Outlook is currently using. Now, in the new Outlook, the steps happen in Settings. Click the gear icon, go to Files, then Outlook Data Files. To add, choose Add File, browse to your .pst, and select it. The data will appear as a separate section in your folder list. To remove or close it, return to Settings, Files, Outlook Data Files, find the Pst, and select Manage or the three dots, then choose Close File. Again, this closes it in Outlook only and leaves the file on your drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you add and remove Pst files confidently in both Classic and New Outlook.